Guys, in this video we will be discussing about Freshdesk. It is a cloud-based customer support platform. It enhances ticket management and services across multiple channels. We have to install it first from the app marketplace here in the navigation bar, and you can search for Freshdesk. Here it is. Let's install. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose a more. If you choose a more, it will be giving you the option to enable automatic feature installation. But at the moment, we will be moving forward with our specific sub account, that is location 1. Continue with that, allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. The next step is moving forward towards the specific sub account on which we have installed Freshdesk. Find that sub account. Here we are. The next step is moving forward towards the app configuration. From the navigation bar, you can find it there. And let's search for Freshdesk here. We have to get it configured. To do that, so we have to sign up our account with Freshdesk, and from there we have to get the base URL and the API key from there. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are in our Freshdesk account, and as you can see, I have already found the API key, and I will show you how to navigate towards the API key. From your Freshdesk account, you will be finding this icon, and by clicking there you will be finding the profile settings. I'm already here, and after that in the right you will be finding your API key. You have to just get it, copy paste and paste it here in our platform. So after doing that, you will be copy pasting the base URL without using the slash in the end as well, as you can see this one. So after submitting, as you can see, it is successfully configured now. Let's move forward towards the automations to check on the actions what value is being provided by Freshdesk. You can find for the automations in the navigation bar from here. And we will be creating a workflow. Here we are in our workflow builder now, and we have to just check for the actions. Find Freshdesk from here. It is, these are the actions that are provided by Freshdesk, and you can use these actions into your automations and just use the values. Alright, so hope you like it. Thank you so much.